safety valve. This is a 40 psi Steris safety valve, Apollo, but used on Steris machines. Service manual tells you to once a year pull this handle to verify that it works. Problem is, it never closes again. So I'll show you what the inside looks like. In case you've never seen one, the idea is that when the pressure inside your container, in this case the sterilizer chamber, reaches 40 psi, or look, I misspoke, this one is 50 psi. It reaches 50 psi or higher, this blows open to prevent damage to the chamber, the device, the user, etc., etc. So 50 psi pushes the valve open and releases all the steam. Alright, so this is what you're pulling. You push that handle, you're pushing up on this. Boop, like that. On this. You see. Let's grab that. Off here. The vise. It's nice to have a vise. Pipe wrench would also be nice, but that's on the truck. I'm not going to get that right now. Destroying this, so I don't care about this part. Okay. Here's the inside. Press the gears. That's probably how it sits there. So this is what it looks like pretty much without the housing. So it's your output port. That's your output. When it blows out the steam, there's the bottom. These little screws to set pressure. These little gears here are. So this is pretty much what you're looking at. You know, here's the X-ray vision version of it. Pull the handle, push that plate up, pulls this up. I was just sitting there, so I don't know why it never sits right again, which has always been what I was always told. This is it. These two gears, this whole sitting, and all it's doing, pressure goes through here, and it's pushing up this piece right here. Pushing against this, and that is it. Nothing else here. No. So, there you are. There's the inside of a 50 psi Apollo safety pressure valve found on Steris sterilizers. Still not going to test this by pulling on it. That sounds crazy. There's no seat. If there's no pressure, this isn't going to push, so that's not really telling you anything. It's all chewed up, but here's your little gasket. It's making a seal on here. That's all that is. There's a tension against it. Screws. I assume we're selecting the 50 psi. Obviously all they do is hold these gears in place. There you go.